Hello. Okay. I'm going to be doing a makeup look today, and this is what I'll be doing, this thing. So let's get started. Shall we? So I'm taking my Cover Fix in the shade White. Yummy. Just going to apply that to my eyelid. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Jeffree Star palette and take the shade Self-Made. Yeah. And I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna go like up to my brow. Just gonna carve out, give a little bit of that. Yeah. Just bring it up real high up in here. Kill. And then I'm gonna take a blending brush, blend out those colors. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Damn it. Now that you have that done, we're gonna go back in with that color FX. So watch carefully. I'm gonna. So it kinda. And you just bring it down. Make sure to wipe your brush off because you'll get that. Keep getting that pink on it. Okie dokie. Now we're going to take Kat Von D eyeliner and NYX eyeliner, and we're gonna make some stripes. Whew. Okay. Alright. So I started on my brows. God, I'm literally the worst person at making videos. Like, every time, it's like the universe just doesn't want me. It doesn't want me to. Every time I've tried to make a video, something just always happens. Alright. Okay. Wow. That looks... Oh, that looks awful. God, I give up on this freaking video. This is so stupid. And then in her picture, she actually has wings down here too. So, wings. You can just tell now I'm like rushing everything because I'm so over this now. Now I just want to wash it off. So now we're just gonna go underneath the eye. After that, I'm gonna connect all of this. With the eyeliner. So then I'm gonna go in with that self-made shade and go underneath the eyeliner, make it look like it's an under eyeshadow. Okay. They are Tarte lashes. I'm not sure. They are in the style Heartbreaker. But see how, like, it looks. Anywho, it looks so much better with eyelashes on. Out here making a difference. Being girls. Lashes. God, child. Okay, so now we're gonna fix up my brows because they look atrocious. Atrocious, yes. Like, it's okay. I took a nap, and I woke up and I was like, I'm recording a video. So I'm not gonna put more. I'm not gonna put more because that's not me. That's not what we're here for. It's not what we're gonna do. And that's on that. And that's period, boo. XOXO. Makeup girl. So we're gonna go heavy on the contour here. Like, I mean heavy. I want noses snatched. And then she has like contour like crazy. So we're gonna go kind of hard. I'm gonna take that white Cover FX concealer. I'm gonna just hold it down here. Because what we're going to do is really just carve out those cheekbones, you know. So now that that's like white and I look disgusting, that's like the goal. After you put the white stuff, you're gonna take like your shade. I'm gonna dust over that with some powder. We're just kind of like gonna make some This is Beetlejuice, guys. So we're gonna make some like gross little So that's cute, I guess. I'm gonna add a little mascara. So now we're gonna add some highlighter. I'm gonna use this pink shade. Next, I'm going to just line my lips And in the corner, I'm going to drag it out just a tad bit. So yeah, this is the look. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry that this is a crappy video as ever. Thanks for watching!